Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi, aka Memers, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this amazing twist out. So first I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I do have a little bit of conditioner in there just so I can use it as kind of a leave-in conditioner, and I'm just parting my hair offset to the side so that I don't have a straight part down the middle. And so I'm sectioning off my hair, and I'm going to be doing 4 sections. Then I go ahead and twist off the section that I'm not going to be working on. So first I'm using Silk Elements Strength and Silk Intense Conditioning Mayonnaise, and it's actually a deep conditioning mask and it smells amazing, but I'm using it as a moisturizer for my hair. Next, I'm using the Maui Moisture Strength and Anti-Breakage Agave Hair Mask, but you can use this as a leave-in conditioner, so again, it's just to add more moisture. And third, I'm using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and I'm just taking a little bit of each and rubbing it in through all my sections. And then I'm going to part my hair so that I can clip away the part that I'm not working on. And then I'm going to start by detangling with a wide tooth comb. And then I go in with a regular mini brush just to make sure it's nice and detangled. And then I just start twisting. And I'm just doing a 2-strand twist out. So I'm just going to speed it up because I don't want to bore you guys by going through my whole head. But I really wish that I could go this fast in real life. Like, I wish. And what I'm doing right now is I'm adding a little bit of extra cream to my hair just so I can make sure all the parts are nice and moisturized. So I'm just going to speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. And boom, just like that. One section done. Woo! Now I'm going to work on the next section. Just twisting that up the same way as the others. Second section, donezo. Now I'm doing the other side of my head, and same thing, twist, twist, twist. I truly wish I could go this fast in real life. Like, this is a 6-minute video. In real life, this took me over an hour. So, yeah. And I don't know what that curl on the side of my head is doing. So anyways, I'm just spraying my hair with water because it kind of dried out a little bit. And I'm just re-moisturizing it, and then I go back to twisting. And I make sure to really detangle all the sections as I go so that when I take it out, I don't have any tangles and there's no issues. So now I'm on the front section. Yay! Woo, look at those magic fingers. And now I am on my final section, an hour later. And there we go, it's all done being twisted up. And so this is what the twists look like. I just inserted a picture. I think they look really good. And so this is actually about 5 days later. I was gonna take it out the next day, but it rained in LA and it rained for 2 days, so I didn't take it out. And then school started and stuff, you know, college, and I couldn't be bothered. So right now I'm taking the damage and Damage Remedy plus Coconut Miracle Oil by OGX, and I'm putting that on my hands so that I can smooth that in my hair and cause less frizz. So like I was saying before, it rained and I started school, so I didn't take out my hair. This was like 5 days later, and so yeah, it held up pretty well. I just didn't want to take it out and have it frizz up in the rain, so I didn't. And so now I'm just untwisting all the curls. I'm not separating first, I'm just untwisting. And so I am done untwisting, kind of. There we go. I'm done untwisting. And so now I'm going to go in and separate almost all the curls. I tend to leave the front because I like the look, but I like a lot of volume in the back, so I separate a lot of the back hairs and keep the front pretty together. So I'm gonna go back and do my thing, come back, and that is the finished look, guys. It is super soft and bouncy. I hope you like it. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.